In the Achillies area, where heavy rainfalls are no stranger, the sump pump stands as a silent guardian against water damage. However, when sump pump failures occur, often due to power outages, improper installation, or a lapse in maintenance, homes are left vulnerable to flooding and the ensuing complications. Such failures not only pose a risk to the structure of your home, but also to your peace of mind. The good news is that this problem can be swiftly addressed with the right expertise. If you find yourself facing the aftermath of a sump pump failure or wish to preemptively secure your home against future downpours, there's a simple step you can take. By calling 888-501-1193, you can enlist the help of qualified professionals ready to restore or enhance your sump pump's performance. Serving the Achillies community, they're your first line of defense in keeping your home dry and secure. Don't let a sump pump failure catch you off guard. Make the call today and ensure your home remains a safe haven, rain or shine.